Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the Cherry KW9200 Mini. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer, no money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing with you my opinion of this product so you can make an informed buying decision. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the Cherry KW9200 Mini. It's a wireless keyboard with Bluetooth and RF, and it also works wired as well. Inside the box we get some instructions. We also get a USB to USB-C cable. Really nice cable actually. I like the little colour accents on it and the Cherry logo on there as well. We also get a nice carry case. It's like a neoprene soft case for the keyboard. And then of course we get the keyboard itself. Now before I show you the keyboard up a little bit closer, let me show you the box. So it says here UK layout, full picture of the keyboard on there. If we turn this over, we've got some of the functions here. So we've got two Bluetooth 4.2 channels, one 2.4 gigahertz channel, uses AES encryption, USB-C rechargeable, status LEDs, and also there's a little nano receiver as well. So nice details on the back of the box about the keyboard. And then of course we got the keyboard itself. Just look at this. This is so nice because it's nice and compact. We've got this back plate which is in a really bright cherry red colour, and I really do like the way it looks. Absolutely fantastic. If we turn this over, we've got some little flip out feet to get some angle on the keyboard. We've also got the RF receiver just here, so this can plug into your computer. If you're not using Bluetooth, you can plug that in, and it's just a nice sort of grey colour on the bottom. Very slimline. We've also got the USB-C port on the back here. We've also got the little LED indicator and the power on off switch, and in fact if we turn that on you can see the LED light up. We turn to the front, we've got some LED indication on the front here as well as to the status of the keyboard. Very nice sort of chiclet style keys, really nice spacing to them. I think it looks fantastic. The markings are very nice as well. Let's see how this feels for typing, and I'll stop talking so you can hear how it sounds. It's actually a really nice typing experience. We've got minimal travel on the keys purely because of its low profile design, but overall the typing experience for a compact keyboard like this is very good indeed. I think the feedback from the keys are really nice. They've got a nice spring back. They feel very comfortable to type on. The only thing I would say, not that you're going to be holding the keyboard when you're using it, is the edges on here are a little bit sort of sharp and angular, but as I say, it's going to be sitting on your desk. The angle adjustment is appreciated with the little kick out feet there as well, and it's a nice portable keyboard, and it's got the flexibility of course of being able to connect via that 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle, via Bluetooth, or indeed wired as well. Good battery life, nice and portable, really good design. I think Cherry have got a winner on their hands with this particular keyboard. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to purchase one of these keyboards for yourself, there are links down in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video very soon.